Yo, what's up, guys? International O back at it. If you see me with this same shirt on, that mean the same day I shot the other video, the Travis Scott 6. Same day. That's all. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Greatly appreciated. We passed 1,000. Y'all did it. I can't say we. I just provide the content. Y'all did it. Y'all tuned in. Y'all subscribe. Y'all check out the content. Thank you so much for that. That's greatly appreciated. Today, though, you see it in the description, man. Look, they did a raffle for this shoe, and I have to be honest, I've never hit on a raffle for anything at Undefeated, so I myself felt defeated because I'm like, I'm gonna do the raffle, man. I always do raffles, even though I'm like, man, I don't have a shot, but I'll do it anyway. You know, you never know what happens if you try, so I tried. And because I've been shopping with Undefeated, man, since like 2018 on their website, and even before then, a lot of people may not remember Undefeated they used to sell Undefeated clothes at Zoomies and PacSun and places like that. I used to buy their stuff at boutiques before they rebranded and kept it all in house. Yes, so did the raffle. I was online on Twitter. I saw somebody say that they won the raffle, and this was like 1 o'clock in the morning. I was still up listening to music. I think that J. Cole album dropped. So I'm like, all right, well, let me check my email, whatever. I checked my email and it said, congratulations. It had an invoice. It said, subject said invoice. Open it up. It said, congratulations, you won the raffle. What a feeling, man. Can't complain because I haven't had too much luck with Kobe's, man. So enough of the yippity yapping. Let's get to it. Yes, the Undefeated Kobe 5 Hall of Fame joints, man. This shoe is dope. I don't know if you guys got to see Vanessa's Hall of Fame speech, but it was very, very commendable, very respectable speech she gave in regards of her husband. And of course, Michael Jordan was there to present the Hall of Fame award to them. But yeah, man, this shoe is dope. It got the Undefeated branding here on the inside and on the tongue. You see that Undefeated logo. Got the arrow on the back with the Kobe. It's very unfortunate what's going on between Nike and Kobe brand, considering, how they've been making his shoes hard to get and not even available in grade school sizes in some cases. But overall, a dope shoe. Got a little something here on the toe box. We can get that off. But here you can see on the back, it has the branding, man. Kobe 5. So you just can't beat it. Got KB on the tongue, on the toe of this shoe, and then 24 on the toe of this one. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has it here on the toe of both shoes. Retail on this shoe was $190, I think. Some people won. They got a lot of state taxes charged to them. I didn't get those. I came out at $202. I saw some people had almost $220 in charges. I didn't get that. But here I noticed on the side, but that's with the material of this shoe. You will find creasing. So it is already creasing here, and I haven't put my foot in the shoe yet. So, I mean, it's kind of disappointing, but that's to be expected because I know that that's how his shoe does, the Kobe 5. So I'm not upset, but it's kind of disappointing that it has a crease there already, but we'll strive through it. And as you can see here, it has a 24, 10, and 8, if you guys can see that. So people, of course, you see the 24, then you see the 10 and the 8. Of course, 24 and 8 was his jersey numbers. The 10, if I'm not mistaken, is for what this stands for in here, from 1996 to 2016. No, this is 20 years. I'm bugging. So yeah, this is his 10. I'm bugging. I have to go do my research on this one. I thought I had it all figured out. But here on the insole of this one, it does have his accomplishments 1996 through 2016, which was his NBA career of 20 years. He has high school All-American, 9-time first team All-Defense, league MVP, 5-time league champion, and 81 points January 22nd, 2006. All those accomplishments are here on the inside of that shoe. And then on this one, it just has the Nike Air, but the I is the Kobe logo. Outside, Kobe logo, Kobe logo. I know these look huge probably, and they are. They're size 14. I cannot wear 13s and Kobe's. The 14 actually fits just right. And I like here, right here in the mid, they have the carbon fiber material right here on the sole of the shoe. But yes, I wear a 14. Kobe's run tight. I learned that lesson when I won. I got early exclusive access to the PJ Kobe 5, the PJ Tucker Kobe 5. I did a 13. I did a review on it. It's too tight. Could not fit it. It hurt. So I had to, unfortunately, let it fly to a homie. So I learned the lesson with this time. I got the right size. No more talking. We got to do what you know we about to do. These joints are hard, and to the feet we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you all to the winner circle, where everybody in my inner circle we in. Before we hit the streets, Lord, forgive me for my sins. Born in the country where they judge you for your skin, yet and still we keep winning from beginning to the end. Yeah. And failure just an afterthought. A bank account, I'm trying to put some cash in vaults. Skate down West Timer like Gretzky. Ride for it tough as I pull a couple jet skis. 4 days, 3 nights, Cozumel cruise. Postman, I can show you what that mail do. Video and pics, swear I was on TMZ. 8-car entourage, all black GMCs. FMG, got a stable full of GMCs. Killing this rap game, ain't no label pimping me. Wrist slick, got canary on my Jesus piece. Ain't mad cause we keep winning so easily. Winner circle, get your boarding passes for the yacht club. Now I'm seeing how I feel to be a Laker, and now you suckers seeing how I feel to be a hater. And something European while I'm stacking all that paper.